Run git merge and get no merge commit at all. That's a fast forward. Here's how it works. A fast forward merge happens when the branch you're merging into, typically main, hasn't received any new commits since your feature branch was created. That means your feature branch sits directly ahead of main in the commit history. There's no divergence, no conflicting work. So when you run git merge, Git doesn't need to combine anything at all. It simply moves the main branch pointer forward to point at the latest commit on your feature branch. No merge commit is created. The pointer just slides forward to where the feature branch already is. Contrast this with a three-way merge, which kicks in when main has new commits after your branch split off. Now Git sees two diverging histories. It needs to look at three snapshots: the common ancestor, main's tip, and the feature branch tip. Then create a new merge commit to tie them together. Git uses fast forward by default whenever the conditions allow it. To force a merge commit, even when fast forward is possible, use the -- no F flag. This keeps a visual record in your history that a feature branch was merged. Either way, fast forward results in a clean linear commit history. Fast forward merge slides the branch pointer forward. No merge commit, clean linear history. Follow for more Git essentials. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.